how to use instead of. We'll talk about the meaning, the use, and the pronunciation. The meaning is the same as instead. It means as an alternative. The use is a little bit different. We use it at the beginning or the middle of a sentence. Secondly, we follow it up with noun or a pronoun. For example, I'll have tea instead of coffee. Or, he went ahead instead of waiting for me. Remember that verb plus ing can become a noun. Finally, let's go over the pronunciation. The of is not stressed, so it sounds like of, And don't forget to use connected speech. Instead of, dof. Not instead of. Instead of. Now you try. And if you're planning to take the IELTS exam but finding it hard to study for it, I'd love to hear from you. Click the link in my bio or send me a DM to chat. Talk to you soon.